It's moving day. We are going to move some girl goats. We got to feed first. Got a couple of boys over here that are a little on the sick side, so I'm treating them out separately, getting their gut straight. These little goats right here, stop going into the horse pasture. Anyway, we're going to do a little feeding here first, and then load these girls up in the trailer and take them over to Greenleaf Farms. So hopefully those boys will follow. Yeah, they're following me over here. They keep coming underneath the fence. Get some really hard rains, and being on a hill like this, everything washes out. But they have learned to go underneath this fence, hang out with the horses, whatever. But makes it a little weird during feeding time because the horses get very aggressive, and so yeah, that's what happens. All right, so I'm gonna feed these boys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hey boys, y'all got the stupid on you. You got the stupid on you. Come on. God. Yeah, I know. You're the smart one. So he's got the bended ears, which is not great for conformation, but gosh, his disposition is awesome. He's kind. Let's see if I can't set you down somewhere right here. All right, let's get some. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So they did come on over. Show y'all a second. These are all my little bucklings, and this one that is dappled, remember him, because I guarantee you I'll still have him. He is by far, just size-wise, much larger than them. He's got the Trump hair. He is, he's definitely a Brutus. They all have such beautiful characteristics. I don't know what it is, but I love my boys. Feed these goats too much grain and you start having problems. And I feed them a feed that has ammonia chloride in it, so that it keeps them from getting the urinary calculi. Basically calcium buildup in their urethra, and clogs their urethra up. They can't urinate, and eventually it will kill them if you don't catch it in time. So definitely don't want to do that. Hey, bear. Hey, boys. Stop headbutting the fence. This is Professor's spot. Bear gets his food. Always reserve just a little bit for my fish friends. Yeah, that sounded stupid. Fish friends. Good gosh. Alright, let's see if I can't show y'all. There's Mr. Cat. There's 2 catfish. God, those little girls are screaming. They're screaming, aren't they? Yeah. Alright, this is not for you, so hey. No mas. No mas. You know, these are Spanish goats, so they know what no mas means. Off. Let's see how many I can get to jump up in here. Wish there was a way I could. What we can do. So I have 3 that will not get in. You and you 2. Yeah, I've got a lot to learn about this pocket, Osmo Pocket. Been sitting there talking for 20 minutes. Not 20. The damn thing's not recording. So I will show you again. We've been running around this little paddock for 10 minutes for somebody, I bet you could guess, who we couldn't catch if you've seen some of our other videos. Yes, Miss Reluctance. Yep, she is absolutely impossible to catch. And she would not go. So like I said earlier, that right there, that crook that I bought online is a piece of shit. It's not narrow enough to catch the joint of a leg on a goat, and too narrow to put around their neck. So I've either got to get it fixed, work on it, or throw that thing in the lake, because it is a piece of SH you know what. To get ready to hit the road, we've got to we're gonna have to tag some of these girls' ears and check their eyes and probably give them some bolus. Here again, look, poor lighting. I don't know, I am not too happy with this Osmo yet. Either I need to learn some more about it, or it's just a piece of crap too. So we'll see. Got to get another bolus off of here. It's terrible. And the wrong size tip. Did you swallow it? You did, okay. Well, we got them moved. Got a couple of them got their ear tags put in. All their eyes checked. Everybody looked really good, except for she was questionable, so we gave her a little bit of Ivomec and gave them all copper boluses that goes in their guts. It's a mechanical dewormer and a copper a supplement. Come on, goats. Goats, goats, goats. Let's see if y'all remember your girls. Y'all remember your girls? Hey, let's see. Yeah, look. Let's see. Nope, don't get in. Oh no, come on now. Not too interested in these girls. Yeah, the little ones like them. Yeah. All right, well, the eventful part was getting them in, getting them loaded, giving them the boluses, tagging ears, and then these just don't care. Y'all might remember who your babies are. Katana, that's not your baby.